Hello guys, today we discuss about the spontaneous mutation. So, what is mutation? A sudden change occurring in hereditary materials is called as mutation. The process by which mutation is produced is called as a mutagenesis. An organism exhibits a novel phenotype as a result of the presence of a mutation is transferred to as a mutant. So, general characteristics of mutation. Mutation are generally recessive, but dominant mutations also occur. Mutation may be harmful, beneficial, or natural or the neutral. Mutations are random, occur at any time and in any cell or an organism. Mutations are recurrent, that is, the same mutations may occur again and again. Role of the mutations: ultimate source of the genetic variations, and it provides the raw material for the evolution. Mutation result into the formation of alleles. Without mutations, all genes will be exist in only one form. Organisms will able to evolve and adapt environmental change. Spontaneous mutation. New mutations are categorized as induced or the spontaneous. So first is the induced mutations. Induced mutations are defined as those that arise after purposeful treatment with the mutagens. Environment agents that are known as increase the rate of the mutations. Spontaneous mutations are those that arise in the absence of the known mutagen treatment. These account for the background rate of the mutation and are presumably the ultimate source of the genetic material variation that's seen in the populations. Spontaneous mutations arise from the variety of sources, including the errors in DNA replication, spontaneous lesions, and the transposable genetic elements. The frequency at which spontaneous mutation occurring is low, generally in the range of one cell that in the 10 to 5 to 10 to 8. Next is the Luria-Delbruck experiment, that is also called as a fluctuation test. They tested that whether mutations are independent or natural selection, or they are directed by the selection. The basis of the mutational changes. How do mutations arise? So Luria and the Delbruck started populations all the bacteria from the small number of the cells and allow them to grow up the reach a large number of the cells, that is approximately 10 billion. Then determine the number of the bacteriophagous resistant cells. If the virus resistance is not due to the random gene mutation, then each plate should contain the same number of the colonies. So we seen in last step, bacteriophages on the cell kill the sensitive cell. So what is the result of this test? They found that the number of resistant colonies on each plate varied drastically. Conclusion: they propose that these results could be explained by the occurrence of the constant rate of the random mutation in each generation of the bacterial growth in initial culture tube. Next is the errors in the DNA replication. An error in the DNA replication can occur when the ligament nucleotide pair, that is the AC, forms in DNA synthesis, leading to the base substitution. Each of these bases in the DNA can appear in one of the several forms called as the tautomers, which are the isomers that differ in the positions of their atoms and in the bonds between the atoms. The forms are in the equilibrium. The keto form of each base is normally present in the DNA, whereas the imino and the enol forms are bases are the rare. The ability of the wrong tautomers of one of the standard bases of the mispair and the cause a mutation in the course DNA replication was first noted by the Watson and the Crick when they formulated their model of the structure of the DNA. So these are the depurination of the DNA. Next is the transitions. All the mispairs are the transition mutation in which a purine substitutes for the purine or the pyrimidine for a pyrimidine. The bacterial DNA polymerase third has an editing capacity that recognize such mismatches as the exist, then thus greatly reducing observed mutations. Next is the transversion. A transversion mutation is a pyrimidine substitutes for the purine or the vice versa. Frameshift mutation. A frameshift mutation, also called as the framing error of the reading frameshift, is a genetic mutation caused by the indels insertions of the deletion of a number of the nucleotides in DNA sequence that is not divisible by 3. Due to the triple nature of the gene expression by codons, the insertion or the deletion can change the reading frame, that is, the grouping of the codons, resulting in the completely different transition by the original. Next is the deletion and the duplications. Large deletion, more than a few base pairs, constitute the sizable fraction of the spontaneous mutations. These mutations are called as in-frame insertion and the deletion respectively. Next is the spontaneous lesions. In addition, for the replication errors, spontaneous lesion naturally occurring in the damage of the DNA can generate the mutations. Two of the most frequent spontaneous lesions result from the depurination and the deamination. Depurination, the more common of the two, consist of and the interruption of the glycosidic bond between the base and the deoxyribose and the subsequent loss of the guanine or and the adenine residue from the DNA. The mammalian cell spontaneously lost about 10,000 purines from its DNA in the 20-hour cell generation period at the 37 degrees Celsius. However, efficient repair systems remove the purinic sites. Next is the deamination. The deamination of the cytosine yields a uracil. Unpaired uracil residues will pair with the adenine in a replication, resulting in the conversion of the GC pair with the AT pair, a GC-AT transition. So we see clearly seen in the figure. Next is the 5-methyl cytosines hotspots for the mutations. One of the repair enzymes in the cell, uracil DNA glycolase, recognize uracil residues in the DNA that arise from the deaminations and they excise them, leaving a gap with the subsequently fill. However, the deamination of the 5-methyl cytosine generates the thymine, that is the 5-methyl uracil, which is not recognized by the enzyme uracil DNA glycosylase and thus does not repair. Therefore, the transition generated by the deamination are seen more frequently at the 5-methyl cytosine site because they escapes these repair systems. Oxidatively damaged base represents a third type of the spontaneous lesions implicated by the mutagenesis. Active oxygen species such as the subperoxide replicates O2 hydrogen peroxide H2O2 and the hydroxyl radicals OH are the produced by the products of the normal aerobic metabolism. Next is the spontaneous mutation and the human disease. DNA sequence analysis has revealed the mutation responsible for the number of the human hereditary disease. A number of these disorders are due to deletions or the duplications involving the repeated subsequence. For example, mitochondrial encephalomyopathies are group of the disorders affecting the central nervous system of the muscles. They are characterized by the dysfunctions of the oxidation phosphorylation, the function of the mitochondria, and by change in the mitochondrial structure. These disorders have been shown to result from the deletion that occur between the repeated sequences. So these are the figure. Uh, the inheritance of the Fragile X syndrome is unusual in that 20% of the males, which is fragile X chromosome, are the phenotypically normal but transmit the affected chromosome to their daughters. Fold size appear the normal. So this is a figure explanation of the CGG triplet in the FMR gene seen in the Fragile X syndrome. So guys, we are all study about the spontaneous mutation.